This is how you use Snowstorm Maxi Mousse. Snowstorm is a powerful caustic snow foam that lifts grime, oil and grease without scrubbing. Make sure the vehicle's surface is cool to the touch. It is safe on most paintwork, glass and wheels, but always check your vehicle's specification first. Do not apply to hot surfaces or apply in direct sunlight. Avoid using it on metals like zinc, aluminium or chrome. For those surfaces, use our non-caustic version. Always wear gloves and do not eat, drink or smoke whilst using the product, and keep out of the reach of children and pets. Use a foam lance or use a hand cannon. Mix 1 part Snowstorm to 4 parts water. Apply an even coat starting from the bottom up. Let it sit for up to 5 minutes, but do not let it dry. Rinse from the bottom upwards once the grime starts to break down, and as you can see, most of the surface dirt is gone. Have you tried our Cherry Blizzard Snow Foam as a pre-wash, or have you tried our Hyperwax for a long-lasting glossy protective coating? If you don't have a foam lance, you should also try our hand cannon. So, now you know how to use the Snowstorm Maxi Mousse. Thank you for watching.